Hello, today in basic science, we'll be looking at the topic satellite. A satellite is an object that moves around a larger object. The Earth is a satellite because it moves around the sun. The moon is a satellite because it moves around the Earth. The Earth, the moon, the stars are all natural satellites. But usually, when someone talks about satellites, they are talking about the man-made satellite. The image on the screen is showing us this Earth. Then we have objects that are moving around, revolving around the Earth or orbiting around the Earth. These are satellites. These are natural satellites. These are artificial satellites. The man-made satellites. They are the satellites moving. They are smaller. A smaller object moving around or orbiting around a bigger object. That is the meaning of a satellite. Now let's look at the demo of what a satellite looks like. The image on the screen is showing us the Earth with the satellites orbiting around it. We have the stars, we have the moon orbiting the Earth. These are natural satellites orbiting the Earth. This is what the satellite looks like in the outer space. Let us look at the types of satellites. There are the natural satellites and the man-made satellite. Let us start with the natural satellite. A natural satellite is any celestial body in space that orbits around a larger body. The moon is called a natural satellite because it orbits planets. For example, the moon revolves around the Earth. The image on the screen is showing us a bigger object, that's the Earth, and this is the moon orbiting the Earth. This is a natural satellite. It is moving around the Earth. Now let's look at the man-made satellite, the artificial satellite. An artificial satellite is a man-made object placed in a near periodic orbit in which it moves mainly under the gravitational influence of one celestial body. The demo on the screen is showing us an artificial satellite. This artificial satellite orbiting the Earth. Now let's look at the uses of satellites. One of the uses of satellites is for the purpose of communication. Satellites provide three types of communication: telecommunication, broadcasting, and data communication. The image on the screen is showing us the use of the satellite in the outer space. This is a mast that has been planted in space, and this mast is getting information from the outer space and is sending the signal back to the mast that we see here on Earth. This is used for communication. It gets information from the outer space and sends the signal to the mast here on Earth, and communication is dispersed. Telecommunication, broadcasting, and data communication. Let us look at another use of the satellite. The satellite is also used in Earth observation. Satellites provide information about the Earth's clouds, ocean, land, and air. They also observe wildfires, volcanoes, and smoke. All this information helps scientists predict weather and climate. The image on the screen is showing us the picture of the Earth or a video of the Earth from above, from the outer. This image was taken from outer space, but it was taken from a shot from above. That's the Earth. If you look at the graphics down here, they are small. That's the satellites used to observe the Earth from outside the Earth. With that observation, the scientists are able to predict the weather, the temperature, the climate, and the rest. Another use of the satellite is for navigation purpose. Satellite navigation will help regulate road use and minimize traffic jams. If all vehicles are fitted with a navigation satellite receiver and a data transmitter, their position can be relayed automatically every few seconds to a central station. Let's look at another use of the satellite. Another use of the satellite is in astronomy. Satellite is used in astronomy to explore our solar system by gathering information for us without us actually having to go there. The probe fly to other worlds and moons in our star system. This helps us plan future missions and discover possible unique danger. The satellite is used in navigation. The image on the screen is showing us the man-made satellite, which is moving in the outer space. Have you seen it in astronomy? It's moving in the outer space, and there's nobody there. It is just the image moving, and it is able to get information without us having to go there. Now let's look at the importance of the satellites. Satellites fly high in the sky, so they can see large areas of Earth at one time. Satellites also have a clear view of space. That's because they fly above the Earth's clouds and air. Another importance of the satellite is that before satellites, TV signals didn't go very far. TV signals only traveled in straight lines, so they will go off into space instead of following Earth's curve. Sometimes they will be blocked by the mountains or tall buildings, but with the help of the satellites, all this interference have been overcome. Another importance of the satellite is that phone calls to go far away places were also a problem before the invention of the satellites. So it cost a lot, and it was also hard to set up telephone wires over long distances and under water. But with the help of the satellite, all this interference problem has been overcome too. Another importance of the satellite is that with satellites, TV signals, phone calls can be sent up to a satellite. The satellite can then send them back down to different spots of the Earth. This has brought us to the end of this exercise today on the satellite. Let us go over to the assessment section. What is a satellite? Question number 2. State 2 importance of the satellite. Drop your answer in the comment section. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in our next demo.